Cancer, mad cow, and now deadly Ebola? For common man, every disease is devastating, but one disease is old as hills, they say, that spread its snake-like tentacles in every way, rotting the core of humanity, bottom to top, affecting every country, individuals without a stop. Scientists have failed to come up with the miraculous cure. Deep is the infection, cannot fight the addictive lure. Strong are the vices, poisonous the seduction, the most deadly disease of all times, corruption. Corruption is at its peak, politicians holding the baton. Not a single work done without favors, cancerous corrupt system, fleecing millions from the government, pretending to help the poor, swallowing it in the meadow-like bellies behind the closed doors, using politics as a platform to accumulate personal wealth. Helpless farmers committing suicide, no place to cry and confide, national wealth being siphoned out of the country and the countrymen at the mercy of Almighty. No food grains, basic facilities or roof over their heads. The poor become poorer, clueless as to where they are led. Power corrupts, but absolute power corrupts absolutely. War against corruption should be waged resolutely. Rise, O countrymen, to knock the corrupt system out. Strike at the root, wipe at the atrocities once and for all. Join together to form one strong united group. Like-minded people with integrity to stage a coup. A bloodless coup, following Gandhi's ahimsa, causing no misery. A strong signal of public outrage and intent conveyed to adversary. To take a new pledge and work honestly, fulfilling all promises. Whole nation together, strong, single-minded against corrupt voices.